Hello and welcome back to Showdown Golf. We're creating content on Tuesdays, on Thursdays and on Sundays every single week. As you can probably hear, it's a bit windy here at the Shire in London. We're going to be doing a 6-hole scramble, just the two of us today, trying to go as low as we possibly can. The target is at least 1 under par. We've got to do it. We've got 6 holes to do it. Got some lovely holes as well. This one is a great start, par 5, then into a par 3. Some really, really nice holes to finish this lovely, lovely course. So, like I said, very windy, treacherous conditions, despite it not looking like it. Blue skies above, but oh my word, has it been a tough day at the office today. Ridiculously windy, and that is going to play havoc today, and a scramble could be interesting.
Bit right. Should be okay.
Yeah.
It's down the middle.
Nothing wrong with that. No. Pitching wedge.
Yeah, definitely gettable in 2.
We've got a tree in the way.
230 yards. I'm hoping to go over the tree. Got a 4-iron. I'm going to play it as about 210. Assume the wind's going to take it up.
If you're not in play, I will be laying up to the right. Don't love that.
That's left.
That's dead.
Yeah. Gonna need you to do this.
It's not my finest shot, but it's safe. We're not far away. We are, what do you reckon, 40 yards?
Yeah, if that.
So should get up and down from here.
Yeah.
I'm confident. I'm confident.
Got to. I like that. I like that a lot.
Oh, it really, oh.
Moved.
You want to be right.
Yeah. It's a great
Pin high,
yeah,
shot,
yeah.
but yeah. Didn't know the contours of the green. I think it's going to be my ball. Lovely.
2, easy.
Lovely. Alright, great.
1 under after 1.
Decent putt.
Yeah.
You've been good today.
I've made some putts today. Very unlike me.
Par 3 now. This is tough.
Yeah.
Very, very few pars I've ever got here. I think I might have parred this once out of 6. Very tough.
Again,
Long.
with the wind, it's just so difficult to actually keep it in play.
Lovely blue skies. You wouldn't believe the wind unless you could hear it, which I'm sure you can.
I'm sure you can. It is incredible. Just saying to Harry, it's probably too windy to play, to be honest. It's right on the edge. Oh, that could be really good if it comes back. Oh, it's bunker. No. 4 left!
4 left! No, there's no...
Alright, well, not good.
Okay, taking my ball, just because
I was in the bunker on the other side.
we can see the flag really, without having to go too aggressively over this bunker. I'll hopefully give you a marker.
Oh, God. God. Well, it's a hell of a mark.
We might not need Arron's to get any closer than that.
But it is, there's no point.
That's not a bad effort, you know. That could be inside me. 2 great chips.
Take one of them, won't we?
Well done.
Okay. It's gone. Wow. All right.
No one's there.
Okay.
That might be the motor.
Landed in the bunker, rolled out over the top.
Exactly what I planned.
Oh God. Told you how bad the weather's been. The wind's still howling, and
That's right.
it's just started to rain. Delightful.
For the second time this round.
Get the waterproofs back on in a minute.
Okay, so we're obviously doing a scramble now. We've done a few 6-hole matches. We've done 1 club challenges. What do you like us to do? what would you like us to do in terms of challenges? What have you seen on other people's channels that you like? Have you got any ideas, creative ideas yourself that you think you'd like to see some people play out? Let us know in the comments below and we will try and get them in as soon as possible. What are you doing here? Are you going for a wraparounder? For context, the green is behind that tree. Looking for the banana swing. I don't think you're getting there. I mean, it's a hell of a shot. It's through and down the middle. That is very good. Chasing down. Oh, is that on?
Really downs on a big downslope. That's out. We'll take my one.
Okay. Arron Shepherd has done an utter solid and he's put us here from that situation. Wrapped it around the trees, banana ball, and he's given us an eagle opportunity.
Eagle time.
And especially with your putting today.
Yeah.
So, do you know what? I fancy this.
This is actually a short one for me.
Don't love that though.
Nah.
Yeah, don't love that.
No, you're gonna have to play the distance ball here. Oh my god! Right, this for a birdie. Little 5-footer.
Nope.
Okay, straight.
Arron Shepherd, if you haven't watched the other videos we've recorded here at the Shire today, I mean, you'd be looking at that putt going, that was a good putt, what are you talking about? Honestly, I mean, he's made every putt from about 15 foot plus. A real valiant effort today. But that does put us to 2 under after 3, and our target was to be under par. Now I think we should change that target to 4 under. 2 more under?
Yeah.
After we've got 3 more holes. 2 under, so 4 under after 6. That's a real achievement.
Yeah.
That's our target.
Got another par 5 as well, so.
Yeah.
Can't be short. Oh my god.
Sure.
It's miles short. Like 50, 60 yards short. It's not even made the river. Well, that is dead. Close. That is no good.
That's no good.
We were 2 under after 3. Bogey there. It's back to 1 under after 4. Perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm going to get past that.
Harry's so happy with my drive there. The first time in Scramble history he's decided not to bother.
What's the point?
I don't mind it.
That's as good as it gets. Wind is heavily left to right. I think an 8's right, because we can be short here.
Well, I've certainly got to start it over that tree on the left hand side and let it drift back in.
I love that.
Look at the wind taking it still. Sick. It was putting, but it's a bit of a long one.
You didn't cleanly hit that.
No, didn't take any grass.
So 9 iron then?
No, it's an 8. It's an 8. That will have travelled the same distance as an 8. It's just the wrong one. No.
God.
Look at that move.
That is wet, I think.
Phew. It's not, but
May as well be. I mean,
yeah.
That is nuts. Not giving it a go.
have it much more uphill than Jesus. I think that should be a forfeit.
Oh, well, I've got little to no faith in me making this.
It's here. It's uphill. Here, mate. Get up, get up.
No, I tried, Aaron.
You did. Well, that's 2 bogeys.
Not feeling good going into the last par 5, but we need to make this. Back to level par, we need to make a birdie here. Could be another one where I don't drive.
It's long. You need to drive. I've gone.
I didn't see it.
It's going to give you an option.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a much better shot.
It's just not a particularly big one, but
That's fine.
I haven't hit it at all. Have not hit it at all. I like that. I really like that.
But it's over it.
That could
whether
be
or not it's gonna sit
brilliant.
down.
Oh, mate, that could be in the hole. That could honestly be in the hole.
I mean, it went so high in the air.
Just when we need
just
it.
went down on the ground from the wind.
What did you thought?
Not bad. Birdie chance, but not brilliant. Oh, Arron.
That's the par, but short as well, is it? No, it's up there. Oh God! Right, let's stick this in for par then.
Well done.
All right.
Well done. There we go. Level par in treacherous conditions.
Yeah, very, very treacherous. I think without the wind, we'd shooting really low here, but with the wind, it's so difficult. It's basically a links course. With the amount of water there is as well, it really is like a links course. So I think even par, not terrible. Made a couple of putts, missed a few. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed. As always, please go and subscribe. We really appreciate it. See you next time.